Hey guys, it's Randy Bable, your realtor and the principal broker of 10 Realty in downtown Sevierville. And I'm out here at the Parrotts Landing Private Resort on Douglas Lake. And about 100 yards from where I'm standing right here, I have a 3,000 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath cabin you're absolutely gonna love. Let's go take a look. Now, as you come up the Resort Drive, the first thing you're going to notice, obviously, that it's quiet. There's no real houses anywhere that's actually on the street. It's only the second cabin on the left-hand side actually coming into the resort. And parking, well, there's plenty of it. You got a double parking bay here, and you also got area along the front of the house as well. So heaps of parking, and if you got a boat trailer, or if your guests have a boat trailer, they can just pull it up right alongside that curb so they can actually drop their boat in there at the boat ramp. But I tell you what, let's look at the cabin itself, because I think you're really going to be impressed. Oh, I gotta tell you, the first impression as you walk through the door is, wow, this place is absolutely huge. So you've been out on the lake and you've caught some beautiful bass, and it's time to bring them home and cook them up and serve them to all your family and friends. Well, what better place to do that than this great open plan kitchen with all these quality appliances and all the crockery, cutlery, silverware, pots, pans, everything that you see here all comes with the cabin. Now talk about spoiling yourself. Just imagine lying back here in this hammock with a nice cold beer after being on that lake, catching bass all day long. How good is that? I know it's someplace I want to be. Okay, so downstairs you got a huge living space. Well, upstairs here you have a massive second living space, all upstairs here as well. Plus you have 2 additional bedrooms and another bathroom. I mean, really, the place is huge. And no cabin is going to be complete without a pool table. And this one is a beautiful, high-quality pool table here in this great games room. And what I love about this, it has its own private walkout to the fire pit outside. Really, how good is that? Now, if you're wondering what these double doors are here, well, that's the storage area. So let me show you what's inside. Okay, sticking your head inside the storage area, you'll see there's a refrigerator in here, there's spare beds, there's the well pump equipment and filtration system, and going up the stairs, you'll see it's the air handling unit. There's a nice floor space there as well to stack tools. There's a rack where you can actually store some spare timber, spare bit of furniture, your Christmas decorations, all kinds of stuff and everything you can possibly think of, because, well, that's what a storage space is for. Now, it's the little things that make a cabin special. One of the things that I really love about this cabin is this huge laundry room with a brand new Samsung washer and dryer. Because I know when I get off the lake, I need to take these nasty clothes off and throw them in here so I can head up to that hammock and get that beer out and relax and enjoy my evening. I tell you, I really love this cabin. I love the location here on Douglas Lake. It's nice and quiet and peaceful, and sitting out here on this front porch swing and looking out over the mountains is so relaxing. This is a great sized cabin, plenty of room for all your family and friends, great vacation home. It's currently being used as an overnight rental. It's actually pulled in close to $100,000 already for 2021. But it's being sold as a vacation home or a permanent residence, so a great place to bring all your family and friends. So for more information about this cabin, all my details are right down here below. I've also set up a website link, which is right here below, that you can actually get on, get more information about the cabin, and there's even a 360 tour so you can have a look around the cabin and the property. I'm Randy Bable, your realtor, the principal broker of 10 Realty. I find homes for buyers and buyers for homes, and I hope I've just found you your new cabin here in the Smoky Mountains.